Welcome back, scholars. So after you finish your Midwest quiz today, this is going to be a work at your own pace kind of day, but there are some specific things that you need to accomplish. So the first thing that I want you to do is to revisit that Native American object investigation that we spent some time on last week. And you should have finished all 11 of those activities. So you have 8 objects from the required regions of the Native Americans, and you have completed 3 of those tic-tac-toe options. Once you're finished with that, ladies and gents, I want you to scroll through and you'll see that I've added a slide, and this is to wrap up this particular assignment. So for today, I need you to set up your social studies notebook, label it Making Connections paragraph, and from there you're going to answer and write your response in complete sentences in paragraph form. Here's the question that you are answering. Now that you've learned about historic Native American cultures, what similarities and differences do you see between modern and traditional cultures? So just to think about this, we've been looking at, and you've had that modern day connection question that's popped up several times within your notes. That's what you're going to reference. So looking at what is a historical replica and what is that connection today. You should be able to draw your own conclusions and find that there are many similarities and many differences between Native American historical cultures and then more modern contemporary cultures. When you're finished with that, then you may move on to the next activity, and there you will work in your Southwest region folder that is assigned to you. So for today, October the 12th, you'll work for your homework assignments on the Southwest region. Make sure that you get a blank copy from our back table, and you will complete the activity for today.